What's good, everyone? This is your boy, the one and only Mr. Kunyaka. Mr. Yeah, Nani Naz. Shoot Freddy Buffett today with the young spend the day with me. I told her as an influencer of K1. Just now, maybe it's about 5 minutes. I shouldn't end it, but please subscribe. Road to 10K subscribers. I will drop more bangers. Buffett, I'm coming with another big prank. I told just do good thing for the prank. I told her 3 days. I told her Buffett just like thanks a lot. You mean a lot. I told her to me. I told her shout out to you guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment. Thank you.
It's trap. What the hell I'm saying?
Hola. Hamba mntwana yami. Nah. Ethol, ngifuna vele nje uma ngishaya video ethola mase ngidlala umshini ngibona ukuthi ngiyawina noma
now yes.
Ethol, awukhombe outfit of the day. Ethol. Ismela is.
Okay.
Outfit of the day.
Outfit of the day.
Ethola, by city trip ethola.
Izoba mnandi.
These shoes from Sneaker Carton.
Okay.
And this jersey, it's not from the brand on Sneaker Carton. Make sure you buy those shoes on Sneaker Carton.
Hey.
Let's get it. Okay. Hello, baby. That made. This vlog.
Yeah.
Ndishakufunda amazwi yakho ambalwa ucinga nzulu ndiyakubona uyandichaza ngezonhloni zakho nokuzinza kwakho ngiyakufrustana uyandazi nandisithandela abantuni hleka ndifese loqibela uyandibuka xa ndincokola uncumele ngaphakathi uyandibona sondela kumdali sondela sukuzibalela unekhaya wena unekhaya
So guys, I think this is the end of the video. But really,
Don't forget to like,
share, subscribe. I told her just more vlog. Thank you.